Greek cuisine, a heart-healthy delight. When it comes to heart-healthy eating, few cuisines can match the timeless power of Greek food. It's flavorful, simple, and built on ingredients that nourish your heart, bite by bite. At the core of traditional Greek cuisine is the Mediterranean diet, a scientifically backed eating pattern known to reduce the risk of heart disease, stroke, and high blood pressure. But what exactly makes Greek food so good for your heart? First, there's olive oil, not just a fat, but a super fat. Rich in monounsaturated fats and antioxidants, it helps lower bad cholesterol and inflammation. It's used generously in Greek cooking, drizzled over salads, roasted vegetables, and grilled fish. Next up, leafy greens and fresh vegetables. Think cucumbers, tomatoes, eggplant, zucchini, spinach, and red onions, all packed with vitamins, minerals, and fiber. Dishes like hariatiki, the classic Greek salad, combine many of these in one refreshing plate. Then, there's legumes like lentils and chickpeas, staples in soups and stews. They're affordable, filling, and fantastic for maintaining a healthy heart. Whole grains like barley and bulgur wheat replace refined carbs. They provide steady energy and keep blood sugar in check. And don't forget seafood, like grilled sardines and salmon. Greek meals often include fish at least twice a week, bringing in essential omega-3 fatty acids that support heart rhythm and lower triglycerides. Greek cuisine isn't just food, it's a lifestyle rooted in balance, fresh ingredients, and community. By embracing these ancient traditions, you're not just feeding your body, you're protecting your heart. Want to eat your way to a healthier heart? Start with a little taste of Greece.